Have you ever run into the dreaded disk space full error when trying to install a new Steam game? It's frustrating, especially when you have that one shiny new game you want to play right away. Well, moving your existing games to a new drive is the perfect solution, and it's easier than you think. First, open your Steam client and locate the game you want to move. Right-click on that game in your library from the menu that appears. Select Properties. In the Properties window, click on Local Files. This tab is where you'll find all the settings to help you manipulate your game's installation. Now, within the options, you'll see something that says Move Install Folder. Select that option, and a new window will pop up. This window shows you existing Steam library folders and the option to set up a new one. If you already have a library folder on the new drive, you can just select it. If not, we'll need to create a new one. Click the drop-down menu to select your new drive, the one you want to move your game to, and then click New Folder. Choose a suitable name for your new folder, like Steam Library or similar, and click Confirm. Now, back in the Move Install Folder window, select the desired folder on your new drive where you'd like to move the game. To click the Move Folder button to initiate the transfer. Steam will now begin moving the game files to the new location. This process might take some time, depending on the size of the game and the speed of your drives. Let it complete without interruption. Once the process is finished, your game will be moved, and you can verify by looking at the Local Files tab again to confirm the new installation path. Congratulations! You've successfully moved your Steam game to a new drive. Hopefully, doing so will free up space and may even improve those games' performance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.